left something back here, brother.
I understand. You ain't see me, I ain't see you. Yeah, I get it. Huh? Hurt me though.
Hey Dawson, worldwide.
Hey, you ain't seen me, I ain't seen you. Still the same ghetto nigga when I'm in the stoop. Cracking Pat round in the lot, pouring some for two. My plate full, I wish I could say the same for you. I no longer have to keep this between me and you. If you had a full plate, you wouldn't know what to do. All that damn stressing, then the niggas start progressing. You can't lean on me forever, time is of the essence. Lil' Tony gone forever, and I can't accept it. Day to day, I send her hearts through Facebook message. I can't learn to let go, so I stay stressing. Put my hand on my head, and I stay guessing. Like, you ain't seen me, I ain't seen you. You ain't seen me, I ain't. My pillow full of tears while I'm laying in the bed. All this looking back I do is hard to look ahead. I got a monkey on my back, blitzed on meds. I'm tired of losing fam. Rest in peace, kid. They killed you, but to me you ain't dead. Damn. You ain't seen me, I ain't seen you. You ain't seen me, I ain't. Bitch, I got a lot to eat. I got a full plate. I know a disloyal bitch that want a clean slate. She know she played herself. It's a little too late. You say you different from the rest when you really ain't. Fuck you. Drink water, get paid. Bitch. You ain't seen me, I ain't seen you. Don't even look for me, you don't need to. You ain't seen me, I ain't seen you. I had a full plate. Last time I seen you, I had a full plate. I'm trying to let your soul rest, but I need you. You ain't seen me, I ain't seen you. 20 world forever, man. Oh yeah. Paradise for a go. You know what I mean? Land of
yeah, with the wings. Yeah, I need it. I do need it.
to go. Bless you. Go. All the way around the board. Huh? You ain't seen me, I ain't seen you. Word. You ain't seen me. Go to Philly, ain't it? Hey, you ain't seen me, I ain't seen you. Tell everybody grinding for a reason, man. Shit add up. Drink water, get paid. NeverLift, NB4L. Money problems. Word.
Still I pray. Drink water to get paid. Drink water to get paid. Still I pray. Still I pray. Drink water to get paid. Drink water to get paid. Still I pray. Still I pray. Drink water to get paid.
Drink water, get paid.
Still I pray.
Still I pray. Still I pray. Still I pray.
Drink water to get paid.
Get paid.
Still I pray. Drink water, get paid.
Drink water,
Still I pray.
Huh?
Still I pray. Drink water, get paid. Still I pray.
Drink water, get
Drink
paid.
water, get paid. Still I pray.
Never stop.
good in the bad days, you know I still pray. Roll up a wood for my family in the grave. You steady copping glizzies when you should be getting paid. Got the money in the safe, drink water, get the pay. Never live shit, I'm just trying to get rich. Got no time for I got money on my tip. Started in the basement, had to make it to my crib. L-Town be the city, and you know I had to dip. Shit went south, and the devil took my cousin. When I came back to town, man, the nigga got the clutching. Hey, said the devil took my cousin. When I came back to town, man, I had to get the clutching. It's Tony World, bitch, don't make me get the bus. Ain't got no time for your lip, I don't wanna hear no fussing. Even on a good day, we pray to get the chicken, pray to get them M's and shit, pray to get my mom's a Benz, pray to get up out this bitch. Hey, said them niggas chasing clout and shit, I'm tryna make it out this bitch. Niggas tried to switch up and that shit add up.
Shit add up, chicken coming through. What your bitch talking about? She ain't even know. We done been slammed her. We done been hit it, been running trains on bitches for years. Niggas been with it. Hey, even on a good day, I pray and I'm still up. Bitches don't wanna talk when they suck my niggas up. Bitches rather. Hey, even on a good day, she prayed to suck my niggas up and me too. We be getting in. R.I.P. the two. I still spray. Coming in with that Mac, put you on your back. Hey, what you gonna think? Nah. Even on the good day, it's life familiar. We might kill you. Close your eyes when we drill you. We been. Close your mouth when we talk.
R.I.P. the two, nigga. That's my brother, nigga. R.I.P. my nigga. Yeah, I know I love him, nigga. You niggas ain't talking shit. Y'all not finna gutter, nigga. Yeah, if our niggas got a problem, we gon' have to solve it, nigga. I got Berettas and nines. You niggas can solve it, nigga. I got a bad little bitch and she gon' off a nigga. Yeah. No, y'all can delete that. I started way too soon. I noticed that like a bit.